This might look like any other run-of-the-mill meteorite, but it's not. This one originated on the moon. While we have plenty of samples of moon rocks that researchers have been poring over since the 70s, this one is different. Scientists now say this meteorite suggests that not only did the moon have more water at some point than we thought, it might actually have been covered in great oceans. They say that around 4 billion years ago, the lunar surface was much richer in volatile minerals, including apatite, a phosphate. This is the first time that mineral has been found in a rock coming from the moon, with the researcher who discovered it, Tara Hayden, saying about the find, quote, "We find the moon's early crust was richer in water than we expected, and its volatile stable isotopes reveal an even more complex history than we knew before." So what does this mean for lunar research? Well, first, it means we can't make sweeping generalizations about the moon's surface based solely on Apollo mission material. After all, you wouldn't expect the same rock and water content to be found around our own planet. However, this also means it's much more likely with more exploration, we might find a significant water source on the moon, perhaps hiding in a crater away from the sun's extreme heat.